Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super simple way to upgrade your breakfast meats, whether it's sausage or bacon, by giving them a quick marinade. This not only adds depth of flavor, but also helps with long-term storage and even freezing. It's an easy way to save money, cut down on waste, and make your meals taste even more amazing. I'm starting with breakfast sausage rounds. These are store-bought at the time that I filmed, but now I make my own with a meat grinder. It's an even more cost-efficient way. If you're interested in seeing how I do that, just let me know in the comments below and I'll make you a quick video. Still, if you're buying sausage, just be sure to look for options that aren't loaded with preservatives. One of the biggest changes that I've made is how I store my meats. Instead of keeping them in the original plastic wrap or styrofoam trays, I transfer them into glass containers. Why glass? Because it locks in the freshness better. It also prevents any unwanted flavors from leaching in, and it's reusable. No more throwing out packaging every week. Plus, it just feels so much cleaner to grab a glass jar from the fridge instead of flimsy plastic packaging. So I mix the marinade well, and some of it I freeze and some of it I stick in the fridge. Now for the flavor. I keep my base marinade really simple. A sprinkle of freshly cracked black pepper and a drizzle of maple syrup. Sometimes I add a little bit of olive oil, but that's it. Later when I'm cooking, I'll splash in a little pickled pepper water for extra zing, but I never store it that way. Keeping the marinade simple gives me the freedom to change up the flavor depending on what I'm in the mood for. This quick little prep step makes mealtime faster, more flavorful, and honestly more enjoyable. You can totally do this. It's quick and the results are delicious. So give marinating your breakfast meats a try and let me know how you like it. And don't forget to like this video and hit the follow button for more quick cooking tips.